Response C. Emergency loan. Cyprus had been releasing on a 5 p.m. emergency loan from Russia to cover its budget deficit and refinance maturing debts. The loan has an interest rate of 5% with no amortization or repayment until its maturity ends after 5 years and no penalty if repayment at that point of time will be delayed. In the event of a persisting lack of access for Cyprus to cover its financial needs through the normal funding market. The received loan was expected to cover all refinancing of maturing government debts and the amount needed for the government continued budget deficits until the first part year, but the received loan did not include any funds for the recapitalization of the Cypriot financial sector. Looking further ahead, it was generally expected Cyprus would need to apply for an additional pilot loan. Economic Adjustment Program for Cyprus. Criticism, Iris MIP Nessa Childers, daughter of the country former President Eskrin Hayshilders, paint a black picture. She described the effort of the EU, IMF as an incompetent mess and said the Eurozone was more destabilized as a result. In its Cruise-Matter blog, the economist called the Cyprus built out on fire, short-sighted and self-defeating, specifically the article says. The Cypriot deal has no coherency in the larger context. The euro crisis has been in abeyance for a few months, thanks largely to the readiness of the European Central Bank to intervene to help struggling countries. The ECB's price for helping countries is to insist they go into a bailout program. The political price of going into a program has just gone up. So, the ECB subordinate looks a little thinner. The bailout appears to move Europe further away from the institutional reforms that are needed to resolving the crisis once and for all, rather than using the European Stability Mechanism to recapitalize banks and thereby weaken the link between banks and their government. The Eurozone countries to act with bank bailouts, out with sovereignty bailouts, as for debt mutualization, after imposing laws of local depositor, the price of support from the rest of Europe is arguably considerable now than it ever has been. Dr. Jeffrey Stacey worked in Germany Der Spiegel under the headline Abject Error, How the Cyprus Deal Hurts EU Strategic Interests. In strategic terms, the EU hurt not only Cyprus and itself, but also the interests of the US and other allies in the West. Europe pushed Cyprus directly into the arms of the Russian government. Not only did this hurt the prospects for its own deal, but it gave leverage to Moscow in the process. More important still, however, by forcing Anastasiadis between the rock of a forces bank levy and the hard place of seeking assistance from Moscow, the EU seriously undermined him domestically precisely when the West was about to reap the benefit at long last of a fairly pro-Western Cypriot president. Crucially necessary to overcome short relations with Turkey that continue to undermine NATO relation, EU relation, NATO EU relation, and US relation with both. To top it all, of a peace deal along the lines of the Annan Plan for a final resolution of the 14-year Old-Cypriot divide, the prospects for which had improved with the election of Anastasiadis has seen its progress diminished. Economic research DeWolf comment in our interview in relation to the Cyprus bailout agreement as follows. This is blackmail. This is basically the official of the bank of the political leaders, going to the mass of people and saying to them,